Hi, my name is Patrick. This specific video is to explain you the VAT plus PI course that we are going to conduct for both the IIM and the non-IIM call getters. So it's conducted by mainly Rochelle D'Souza and me, Patrick D'Souza. So we will be the point of contact for all the students who basically join for the PI VAT course. So just to explain the faculty a little bit, Rochelle, who is an expert in training for GDPR VAT, conducting the sessions for last 17 years. She's also have conducted sessions to help students from management colleges, which include top colleges like Bajaj, for their placement process. So she has conducted GDPR workshops for to help in their placement process. Also, she has assisted people for PI process for top management colleges to help them in their placement. This includes IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore and Calcutta, helping them with regards to your placement process as such. So this is the qualification. Her website is rochelledesouza.com. Myself, I have also been conducting along with her the whole GDPR VAT process, helping even the management college students for their placement process. Scored 100 percentile many number of times, and this is my profile as such. So we will be the two persons who will be in touch with the students who will be joining for the PI VAT process and guiding you as far as possible in the whole process. So last year we had almost 22 students who got into IIM ABC. So this is a list of students who have got admission last year into ABC. Now what is the process? So the key is that we only take a few number of students so that we can give individual attention. Students can always call us for any guidance as such. So we will have individual discussions with the student to understand your background, to understand your future aspirations, so that we can help and guide you with your answers. Now, we believe that the best answers are your answers, but we will obviously listen to your answers, guide you with regards to how to proceed with getting the best answers. So there's a specific process that is there, and we'll try to help you with that. We'll also have individual discussion with regards to answers. So we'll provide you questions, we expect you to write answers, and then maybe we'll give you feedback on the same. Also, you will have interview with us, as well as maybe some of the alumni from top colleges who will have personal interview and guide you with regards to same. So we'll also help you with regards to the form filling. So the various top colleges, whatever form filling is there, we will guide you with regards to the same. So checking of the form, whether your form is filled properly, that becomes the first step towards maybe ensuring that you convert the call. So the whole process is focused on trying to help you convert the call which you get. So we have four broad courses. One is the comprehensive PI course. So basically we will be conducting it over a period of 4 months. I mean, validity is till 4 months. So even if you join now, you can have till 4 months time, where we will have regular discussion regarding your answers based on whatever calls you have got. You will have at least 5+5 interviews, and this will span to around 4 months. So fees for this is 10,000 rupees for the course. So everything will be covered as per what is required for the interview process that is required. Next is the PI plus VAT course. The additional thing out here is the VAT. So we'll give you VAT topics and give you feedback on whatever VATs are written. Okay, so regular discussion with regards to your VAT answer, guidance on how to write a VAT. These are two additional things. Rest all remains the same as a comprehensive PI course, and the fees for this is 12,000. You also have a short PI course. People have got one call. So you have a one call which is there in a week or 2 weeks time. So we have this whole short PI course where we'll have only one interview. We'll give you feedback on your answers. We'll just help you with your answers, give you feedback on the answers, help you with filling the form, and fees for the same is 2,900. And similarly, we will have a course which is 2 PI course, short PI but 2 interviews. So same thing, only thing we'll have 2 interviews out here. Duration is for 30 days and the fees is 3,900. So what makes us different? What we do is we ensure that we make more individual, attention to each student. So we believe that each student is different, and we try to ensure that the differentiation of each student comes out, because that's what is important. When you go for an interview, you would want to differentiate yourself from everyone else so that your chances of converting the call is higher. That's what IIMs look at. IIMs look at diversity, and diversity not only comes at maybe your academic background, but also the way you are. And that's where we as a faculty will help you to come out with something where you are different from others, and that has helped us to ensure that we have converted most of our calls that comes across. So almost all our students have got a call from ABC last year, converted their calls. They've got into one of the top three. And that's what we have ensured. And this is true for most of the other calls also. Not only ABC, but most of the other calls, we have ensured that they've converted the calls, right? So we also will give them feedback, individual feedback regarding, whatever query or whatever answers that they have, and that hopefully will help them to convert their calls, right? How do you enroll? The fees, there is a 20% discount for people who got a call from ABC. You can either enroll from the website given to you, prep.patrick100.com, or you can contact us on these numbers and we will guide you with regards to the course details as well as how to enroll for the course. Right? Hope that's clear. Thank you.